Hello friends, good evening to all of you. Myself Rajat Srivastava. I teach in a degree college named Ramanand CD College, and my clear qualification is completed till MSc level mathematics from Veer Bahadur Singh Purvanchal University. And today I am going to upload my videos related to BSc first year mathematics. BSc first year mathematics. And as all of you know that we have to study about basically three papers named algebra and trigonometry, which is your first paper, differential differential calculus, which is your second paper, and third one is vector calculus and analytical geometry. Okay, vector, I repeat, vector calculus and analytical geometry. Its name is changed from universities and writers. There are some writers which named it vector calculus and geometry, and other named analytical geometry. Okay, they are basically many type of name, but its most probable name which writers choose is vector calculus and analytical geometry. So I am not going to deeply about the name of this paper. So first of all, I will give you a complete knowledge or a complete introduction about all these papers, first paper, second paper and third paper. And my first videos will be related to your second paper named differential calculus, and I will give you reason that why I have chooses this paper first. And the reason is, and there are basically two reasons of this. First reason is it that this second paper, which is named as differential calculus, is directly related to the topics which you have learned in your interclass level. Okay, first reason. And second reason is it that this paper is purely I think 99% purely theoretical. Okay, purely numerical. There is not any theoretical topics in this topic. There are one or two which is ignorable, but 99% topics will be numerical. But the papers like algebra and trigonometry, vector calculus and analytical geometry is have probably 50 to 60% theoretical properties. Okay, so then for understanding the topics, theoretical topics, we have many type of problems. So we will firstly learn about your second paper named differential calculus, and I have believe that after you will have to firstly cooperate with me near about 3 or 4 topics, and after that you will get a good response from my videos. I have believe, and if you cooperate with me, then I will surely give you a complete knowledge or a good response related to all the topics which are comes which will comes in these papers. Okay, so first of all, I am going to give you a introduction about these papers. So as the name algebra and trigonometry is your first paper, but there is a problem, or there is a thing which I want to clarify you that the name algebra is not related to the algebra which you have learned in your basic knowledge or basic classes like 8th, 10th, 12th. Okay, equations, polynomials, these are not related in this topic. Okay, there are very big difference in this algebra and the part of algebra which you have learned in your previous classes. Okay, and trigonometry is also differ from the topics, but this second paper differential calculus is directly purely your calculus of interlevel. Okay, but only the things are modified. Okay, and the topics are also generated or generalized, but the topics will be surely that which you have learned, like limit limit and, continuity, limit and continuity, and second one is differentiation, 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 and after that you will get successive differentiation, successive differentiation, successive differentiation. But and after that you will get partial differentiation, partial differentiation. Okay, but all the topics will be related from the previous topics which you have learned in your interclass levels. Okay, and the topics are very simple, very you can say interesting. Okay, and very I think very hard working. Okay, hard working, as all of you that this season is related to COVID-19. All of uh, we have to study it at our home, so you will get a good challenge, you can say good challenge to uh, motivate yourself in the case of study without any hesitation or any boring system. Okay, so this is my introduction class. Okay, thank you to all of you, and please believe me and cooperate me. I will give you a very good response from my videos and from my topics which I want to upload from the name Rajat classes or Rajat mathematics. Okay, so thank you to all of you. Thanks for give me your precious time, and I will be thankful, very thankful to all of you if you see, if you try to see my videos. Okay, so thank you to all of you. Thanks.